Mixpanel Dropshipping Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to Mixpanel and other recommended tools are in the description. Let's dive right in. Mixpanel is a powerful analytics tool designed to track user behavior, providing dropshippers with deep insights into how customers interact with their website. This platform helps you monitor the customer journey, analyze data trends, and improve conversion rates. Mixpanel's features include event tracking, user segmentation, funnel analysis, and retention analysis, making it perfect for those who want to fine-tune their website's performance and increase customer engagement. Who is it for? Mixpanel is ideal for dropshippers who want to make data-driven decisions based on customer behavior. Whether you're just starting out or already scaling your business, Mixpanel's sophisticated tools help you measure and optimize key metrics like conversion rate, retention, and customer engagement. Key features include event tracking, which allows you to track specific actions customers take on your site, like adding items to the cart or making a purchase. User segmentation, which helps break down your audience into meaningful groups, and funnel analysis to monitor the effectiveness of your sales process. Additionally, Mixpanel's retention analysis lets you track how often customers return, a crucial metric for improving customer loyalty. Strengths? One of Mixpanel's major strengths is its user-centric analytics, which goes beyond simple page views to track actions that matter, like clicks, conversions, and sign-ups. This granular data allows you to optimize the customer journey effectively. Mixpanel also excels at funnel analysis, giving you clear insights into where customers drop off in the buying process, so you can take targeted actions to improve your sales funnel. The segmentation feature is also powerful, enabling you to tailor your marketing efforts to specific customer groups based on their behavior. Weaknesses? While Mixpanel provides a wealth of data, it can be overwhelming for newcomers. The platform's steep learning curve may make it difficult for dropshippers without a strong background in analytics to fully leverage its potential. Pricing can also be a concern, as the more advanced features are available only on higher-tier plans. Final verdict. Mixpanel is a robust tool for dropshippers looking to dig deep into customer behavior and optimize their websites for conversions. Its event tracking, user segmentation, and funnel analysis are game changers for improving customer retention and sales. However, the learning curve and pricing may be a barrier for smaller businesses. If you're willing to invest time and resources into understanding Mixpanel's features, it can be an incredibly powerful tool to take your dropshipping business to the next level.